Okay, Micron, let's see, QCOM is right there, and so is Xilinx. Let's take a look at QCOM, and I can show you what I was looking for there, guys. And it's a big gap, okay, from a couple weeks ago when that lawsuit was settled with Apple. So it's not as definitive of an area, although if you look at right here back in last September, that high right there at 76.41, that comes in almost exactly with where that gap is. So this could be an area that we want to do the same type of thing in QCOM that we were looking for in Xilinx. Okay, long delta position, but potentially short volatility or at least neutral. Look at volatility in QCOM today. It's up 15%.